Here at FebHouse, we're excited to share our updated workflow for creating architectural diagrams. Now powered by the latest Sun Diagram and Dynamic Symbols plugins. Step 1. Import terrain and map data. Go to File, Add Location. Enter the location name or coordinates. Click Set Location, then select Add Context. Choose the elements to include: flat site, elevated site, map texture, terrain mesh, 3D buildings. Highlight the target area and click Import Site Context. SketchUp will automatically download the terrain and satellite imagery. Step 2. Create terrain and contour lines. In the Tags Layers panel, turn off the flat map layer, turn on the terrain layer. Draw rectangles at 10-meter intervals, perpendicular to the terrain. Group them into components for easier management and selection. Use intersect faces with model to generate intersections between the planes and terrain. These intersection lines will become the contour lines we need. Delete any unnecessary flat surfaces, keeping only the contour lines. Let's add a box to represent the project building. Resize the box so it matches the scale of the diagram. Step 3. Create a 3D Sun path with Sun Diagram plugin. Use the first function of Sun Diagram, Create Sun Path. Choose from Model Mode location already set in Step 1. Disable DST if working in Vietnam or other regions without daylight saving. Adjust the size of the sun path and change its style. Go to Sun Diagram Style. Choose Style O2, Apply. Tip: color the contour lines so they appear more subtle, reducing visual clutter. Step 4. Add symbols, wind, views, etc. with Dynamic Symbols plugin. Click a symbol from the Dynamic Symbols toolbar to insert it. Scale the symbol to fit your diagram. Replace it by selecting another symbol from the toolbar. Change its color using Custom Color. Repeat for other symbols as needed. Step 5. Export animations to create an animated diagram. Combine related layers tags to keep the model easier to control. Organize all layers tags generated by Sun Diagram into a dedicated folder named Sun Path. Assign the contour lines and the box to their own separate layers tags for better control. Now that everything is ready, let's set a proper camera view for exporting the diagram. Choose a suitable camera angle. Ensure some path lines are clear and not overlapping. For now, let's hide the Feb_dynamic symbols layer. We'll export it later on its own. Use Sun Diagram to export shadow analysis animations. Go to Export Shadow Analysis. Select the time range default, 6 o'clock to 18 o'clock. Set output folder and resolution. Click Apply to export the images. Oh, I almost forgot. We need to disable the ground shadow, since our sea level is lower than the ground plane. Since I'm using the free version, I can only export shadows for December. These images can later be combined into a video using Photoshop, CapCut, etc., explained in Step 6. Next, we'll animate the symbols with the Dynamic Symbols plugin. Disable all other layers tags, keeping only Feb_dynamic symbols visible. Select a symbol, click Create Animation for Dynamic Symbols. Use Test Animation to preview. Disable animations for all scenes except Feb_F1, Feb_F2, Feb_F3. Go to File, Export Animation. Name the file. Export options. Set resolution to 2K to match the shadow analysis images. Uncheck Loop to starting scene. OK, then export. Here's the animation file we exported from Dynamic Symbols. OK, we're done. Now we have everything we need to create the animated diagram. Step 6. Combine images and videos into a final animated diagram. Here, I'll be combining them using Photoshop. Load images into Photoshop. Go to File Scripts. Load files into Stack to import all the images you want to combine. Important, make sure the images are arranged in the correct order. Click OK and wait for Photoshop to load the images into layers. Check image order and create a timeline. Click Create Video Timeline. Set the frame rate. In this example, I'm setting it to frames per second. Convert the video to frame animation. Fix the video duration important now. Drag the last frame slightly forward and then back to its original position. This forces the video's endpoint to snap to the actual last frame. Press play to preview the animation. When it looks good, just save the file and export the animation as a video. Export the video. That's it. This is the shadow diagram animation. Okay, that looks fine for now. We'll continue by adding the animated symbols wind arrows that we exported in Step 5. Go to File, Scripts. Load files into Stack. Load the shadow analysis and winds videos into a stack. Click OK and wait for Photoshop to load the videos as layers. Set the frame rate. I'm setting it to 20 for frames per second. Drag the winds layer above the shadow analysis layer. We'll remove the dark background and keep only the moving arrows. Right-click on the winds layer and select blending options. Under Blend If, Current Layer, move the left black slider towards the right until the dark background fades out, and only the arrows remain. Okay, that looks good. Let's lower the winds layer opacity to about 80 to 90% so it blends in nicely. Just duplicate the winds layer until it covers the full length of the timeline for a continuous loop. Press play to preview the animation. Once everything looks good, go ahead and export the animation as a video. And that's it. Here's the final result. Good luck, and make sure to follow us for more upcoming updates. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment to share your ideas. And don't forget to share this video with others.